Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the indirect painting method. As we know, there are two types of painting methods. One is direct, another one is indirect. And in this video, I'm going to focus on the technique called glazing, which comes under indirect painting method. Here we have a portrait of an Italian greyhound with unusual colors, and this is the underlayer of the portrait. And it should be noted that I'm going to use less colors and more medium in this painting. To watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.